Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to always header in FC26. So if you want your player to always go for a header in FC26, there's actually a simple control you can use. Normally when you cross the ball and press the shoot button, your player might go for a volley instead. But if you specifically want a header, here's what to do. While the ball is in the air, press LT and RT together on Xbox or L2 and R2 together on PlayStation, and then press B or circle to shoot. This makes your player always attempt a header as long as it's possible from that position. Just keep in mind this uses manual shooting, so you'll need to aim carefully to direct the ball towards the goal. It's especially useful if you're completing an objective that requires scoring with a header. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky because you need a good cross and proper timing, but with this method, instead of going for a volley, your player will always try to hit the ball no matter where you are on the pitch. And yeah, that's it. This is pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.